Ooh, what have we got today then? Hello and welcome back to another McMetro video. Today we have an interesting product which we're going to review and install today. So this is a floodlight which I purchased from Layouts4u for £4. Yeah, I was looking for a floodlight for the yard area, which is going to go in the corner over there. And the Gauge Master ones were a few pound more. They were about £6.50, and I found this one for £4. It was £2.50 delivery, but that's the same cost with delivery as the Gauge Master ones, which I would have had to pay delivery for anyway, for pretty much the same product. So I thought, why not? So yeah, today we're going to be reviewing this product and seeing how it goes. So let's get going. So with this, we have to solder there's 8 wires, and we have to solder 2 4s together, so the positives and negatives all together for every single LED. And then we solder the resistor on. So this is what we're going to go and do first. So here we are with the soldering iron and everything. So here's the floodlight here, which I'm just going to open up. So as you can see, we've got the floodlight itself there, and we've got the 8 cables. So it's blue cables and some red cables, and it reads on the instructions. There you go. Solder the red wires together, then solder a resistor to join the red wires for a 12 volt DC connection, which we will be using. This is positive. Solder the other wires, and this is negative. So there you go, and there's the website there. So yeah, first of all, we need to solder the red wires together, I guess, then, and add the resistor, and then also add a wire to the end of that. So I'm just going to go quickly grab some wire. I ran out of black wire. I've got some green and I've got some red still. So we'll just wire up the red to the red and the green to the blue. So to save you the pain of my rubbish soldering, here's a diagram of how it should be wired up. If you want to learn how to solder, I recommend you go elsewhere. I'm not very good. If you want to have a proper look at the diagram, feel free to pause the video here. Otherwise, after this diagram, we'll go straight to after I soldered up the floodlight. So here's the floodlight after I've soldered it up and I've added some insulation tape. Now we're going to move on to testing the lights and seeing what they look like. Get it? Joke? Oh well. I've got the floodlight here. So I've gone and I've turned on the 12 volt lighting on my layout power supply, and I'm just going to give it a try. So here we go. There we go. So there we go. There's the light. Very bright. Good. Definitely shows off a floodlight. Sees the brightness. It looks really nice in person. I'm really happy with them actually. Yeah, be sure to go check out Layouts4u. I'll definitely be buying more lights from them. Yeah, you might be able to see it flicker. That's me. I'm holding it very loosely against the terminal block. But yeah, definitely go check them out. I'll definitely buy more lights from them if I do need them. But yeah, I think it's time we try and install this thing. So as I said at the start of the video, I got this light to put in the corner of the yard, like about here-ish, just to give it a bit of light. So I've got my drill here. The drill bit kind of broke, so it's kind of short, so I'm not sure if it'll make it all the way through the board, but we'll have to see. So yeah, I'm going to drill a hole and, well, install it. So here we go. About there, I'd say. So I've done it. I've got the floodlight in. It's only temporary at the moment because the reason I'm not actually properly installing it right now, I'm just drilling the hole, is so that I can take it out for now because I've still got some painting to do around that area. But yeah, that's where you could probably see the cables coming out the bottom. But I've kind of got it wedged in the hole right now. So I've got this cable here. Ooh, not sure how well that's coming out on camera. But yeah, if I plug this in, then the lights will go on. So 3, 2, 1, and ta-da! There we go. Looking really nice. It looks much better in person on the camera, personally. But yeah, be sure to check out Layouts4u. It's no sponsorship or anything. I'm just saying they're pretty cool light, as you can probably see. But they do a few other floodlights, like different angle ones, like one on like a little mobile base unit thing. They've done a load of different things, so be sure to check them out. But first, before I go, I just want to try this with the lights off. So let me unplug this a second. Let me go turn the light off. So here we are in the dark. 3, 2, 1, and... Right, well, I need to get my phone out. I can't even see it now. It's so dark. Okay. 3, 2, 1, and... Ta-da! So there we go. There's the light, the floodlight. So I can't wait to get these permanently set up on the layout and plugged into the lighting system. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please like and subscribe, it really helps the channel. I know my soldering ain't the best, but there's other good things. Yeah, stay safe and everything, and see you in the next one. See ya!